Imagine speaking a language where a simple click of the tongue could mean water or come here. In parts of southern Africa, such as among the San and Coako peoples, click sounds are an everyday part of conversation. These clicks, created by popping, slapping, or sucking actions, aren't just sound effects but actual consonants with meaning. Their origins trace back thousands of years, believed to mimic natural sounds like animal calls. Today, they remain a living testament to human ingenuity, shaping communication in ways most languages never have.